The operations group provides ready combat capability to underwrite our nation's security, assure our allies, and deny our adversaries peace of mind. It really comes down to supporting the U.S. STRATCOM commander's deterrence mission through ready combat capability.
We are lethal and combat-ready operators that turn the key and make the missiles go. There is no bigger sticking a hole than the Minuteman weapon system. We're not only responsible for ourselves or even states or national levels, we're playing on a global scale and making sure that we show everyone that we can not only talk the talk, but we can also walk the walk, and we're really good at it.
Everything that we do is real world. Our mission never stops. We're constantly training for the mission, and everything we do is real world because this is a combat alert mission, the longest running in Air Force history at 62 years plus.
OG turns the key, but we couldn't do it without our maintainers to keep the weapon system on alert.
The mission of the maintenance group is to maintain the Minuteman III missile, develop airmen, and preserve freedom 24/7. And we do that across all three squadrons. The Missile Maintenance Squadron that dispatches out to the field to keep missiles on alert, the Maintenance Squadron that works in the back shops to keep equipment and vehicles serviceable, and the Munitions Squadron that builds warheads and dispatches them out to the field.
My team is the foundation for strategic deterrence. They go out, they maintain, they repair, and they put sorties on alert every single day. Without the airmen that do this job, we don't have strategic deterrence. Our challenge is that this weapon system is old. Having been on alert since the 60s, it's similar to working on a Mercedes-Benz that never turned off. Over time, it's gonna need work, and that work gets harder and harder as those parts and support equipment age. For a weapon system that was only intended to be online for about 10 years, 60 years later, we're still keeping it going. A maintainer loves nothing more than to be told that they can't do something. As soon as we put the pressure on them, whether that be with a timeline constraint or nobody has ever fixed this problem before, the first thing they're gonna say is, yeah, but I can.
We're on call 24/7. We always have a team ready to go any time of the day. When you're working downstairs for 14 hours and you're getting towards the end of your shift and you really just want to get that weapon system back on alert, it's a surreal feeling when you know that you completed that job multiple hours or days troubleshooting the problem at hand.
We've been sustaining the Minuteman weapon system since October 27, 1962, and we will continue to sustain Minuteman until Sentinel is ready to come online. The work we do every single day is critical to make sure that the Minuteman III weapon system is ready to go, that when the Missileers turn keys, it's going to work just as it should.